This week's Modern Classic Motorcycle News Weekly Roundup brings together another busy mix of new motorcycle gear, events, reviews, industry updates and channel news. We start with Ace Cafe London's Triumph Day, complete with live music from The Smash, before moving into new riding kit including Oxford Super Jegging 3.0, the Richa Stradale APX warm weather gloves, the Danese Fulcrum 4 Gore-Tex touring boot, and the striking Ruroc AT 4.0 carbon gold chrome helmet. There is also fresh protection news from GBRacing, with new engine protection for the latest Ducati V2 models, plus LIQUI MOLY launching 2 motorcycle coolants. For Modern Classic Motorcycle News followers, issue 69 of the M.C.M News digital-only magazine has now dropped for both YouTube members and non-members. We also highlight our latest subjective top 10 cruiser-style motorcycles in the UK for 2026, along with features on the Triumph Speed Twin 1200 detailed Walkaround, the RST Ladies S1 Mesh Textile Jacket, the CTEK NXT5 Smart Battery Charger, and our review of the Zero Motorcycles SR/F. There is plenty from the wider motorcycle world too, including a lightweight racing theme at the Ardingly Summer Show, the return of Polish Bike Day at Ace Cafe London on Sunday 21st June 2026, and new technology stories such as HOVERAir launching the 99-gram X1 Smart in the UK, Sena introducing a limited lifetime warranty for motorcycle communication systems, and Livewire Group beginning production of the new S4 Honcho Mini Moto models. We also cover a revealing new survey suggesting that 8 in 10 riders would not switch to an electric motorcycle, adding more fuel to the ongoing debate around the future of motorcycling. And as we reach the halfway point of the week, we also remind viewers to consider joining our YouTube membership, where members can support the channel and get 2 free issues of the magazine.
This is not a trend.
For a £5 monthly membership fee, get 2 digital issues of Modern Classic Motorcycle News magazine for the price of 1 per month. Become one of our YouTube members and save. For a £5 monthly membership fee, get 2 digital issues of Modern Classic Motorcycle News magazine for the price of 1 per month.